I know it's not common for me to do more than one live, but I'm going to set this up live because I want to show you guys exactly what it is. I have a setup here from my partner, Jesus, that makes these soundboards. And what I've got here is, this is a, we find the box. This is a cell phone power adapter, right? It's a power bank, okay? I got this from Amazon. So I'm just going to plug this in here and rig it up here, set it up on something. This is a first time attempt at this. I don't know if it's going to work or not, and I've got backup. So I've got a sound bar, not a sound bar, a power bank. I've got an old sound bar from my television set that got replaced, so I'm utilizing that as a speaker. Now what's in this bag is the entire setup for the Predator soundboard that he makes. Okay, well, magnets. That's magnets. I'm sorry. So he's got all these wires that he sends with it. That's the entire setup that comes with it. This is the, I guess it's the coaxial setup here. I'm trying to get this charged here. I believe this should go in here. I'm not sure. What the hell? That might not work. I don't know. I do know this goes in. I believe this goes into the speaker. So what I'm trying to do is set this up. This is the actual sound board here, which is magnetic. And this is the actual mechanism. And it's magnetic, and it's just pops on and off like that with a cool Predator logo on it. This is the setup that he makes. I kind of offer it in the Etsy store. It takes about 4 weeks to get. So I'm not sure exactly which one to go into. We're going to have to play with this and find out. I think that's a line in, I believe. Then you get this. This is the setup where you have the controls. This part here plugs into the box. And, yep, plugs into the box right here. I'm going to put the power up the box first. That's the thing I want to do, is power up the box before I do anything. Oh, shit. Okay. So I've got the sound bar running. And I've got this plugged into here. I think it plugs into this. That powers up the box, okay? You have a cable that goes from, let me show this whole thing. Soundbar right here from Amazon plugs into the wall. You have this cable that he sends you that goes from the soundbar into the box. Then you have a wire that runs from there to the box itself. So I've got power to the box. I'm not sure if that powers the speaker, though. That's the question. So then I'm going to plug this controller into the box right here. We'll see if the speaker has power. It doesn't really say it does or not. Doesn't show anything. But what we'll do is I'm going to try this just to see if it works. Okay, apparently I need the sound bar to be powered up, so what I'm going to do is do that. I got a power supply for the sound bar itself. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll power up the sound bar. It's on. I have to put this line in. So put that line in. Make sure it's set to line in. Now we can try it. Well, let's see how this works. There you go. It's the first button pushed. Playing off the sound bar. You hear the sound effects. It runs through a whole sequence. So you can hear the entire thing. That's 1, 2. I think there's up to 30 different encoded sequences in here. Do that again. That's fun. I'm just running numerical sequences 1 through 6. The different sound effects from Predator. And these can be programmable. You can take sounds off and you can put sounds on. So this is an open-ended system that you can actually program your own sounds into. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Jesus said there's 30 different ones that are pre-programmed, but it can go up to 50. So then I hit the A button. I run through a different sequence. I hit the B button, hit B, and B1
motherfucker
is a different one. You'll hear this one.
You one ugly motherfucker.
B2, all kinds of different growls and roars and everything. Snarls, you name it. B7, B8, B9. We'll go down to C and see if C has any sequences. So we're C1, C2, I don't know if it goes down that far, but they're numbered 1 through 0, A, B, C, D, right? And you just push A1, A2, 3, 4, 6, and you go B.
One ugly motherfucker.
You choose, they're different. So there's a whole bunch of sequences. I tried to get Jesus to tell me what the generic makeup of these would be, like a listings, but he said they're randomly put in. So there are all kinds of sound effects on this thing. That's the blades coming out, and that's retracting, and that's the swipe. That's him emulating Billy's laugh. The Predator's emulating Billy's laugh. There, see, this is all off the A sequence. So you have a numerical sequence, you can just go regular numbers, a musical sequence. Then you can hit A and the numbers. You can hit the regular numerical sequence, get it? Get sounds and music and that type of thing. Then you go through A, and you go A through the numbers and B through the numbers. And then I think C and D are open for adding more sound effects. But this is the Predator soundboard on the store. And like I said, I told you I was going to do a live unboxing and show you guys live, aside from the video that Jesus did of this. This is what you get, okay? You get the programmable sound card right here, the programmable thing. You get the box, which is right here, with all the secret, the digital things. Is magnetic with the top, and it's got the Predator logo on there. That's just magnet, stands up there. You get, let me go ahead and cut this off. You get the wiring that comes with it. You get a blue, I don't know what this is called, but there's a blue wire that attaches to the box. You get the one that attaches to a sound system here, which I will show right here on the sound bar. You get the line in sequence right here. That's what puts the input of the sound from here to a speaker. And then you get the power cord that would run from a power bank to the speaker. Now you can likely run this directly to the speaker itself. If you have a USB setup on the back of your speaker, where you have one of these that will go in for a power. However, I bought the bank just because I'm out here and I don't have one, two, three, four. I have got 5 electrical outlets out here. So anyway, I've got this plugged into a basic phone charger plug, USB phone charger plug. And you get the phone bank off off Amazon. There's about $25 or less. It's just a basic phone charger power bank. You may already have these if you use portable in your cars and whatnot. And then you need a speaker. And of course, I had to utilize my sound bar from my TV, the old one, because it was the biggest and most powerful one I had. But any speaker will work outside of, any general speaker will work. So there you go. There's a live demonstration of the Predator soundboard and soundbox that we offer on the Etsy store. Now, I'm in partnership with this guy. He makes these. I promote them and sell them for him. They're $130. They take about 4 weeks to get to you. Once the order's placed, I send him the information. He processes it. I think he has a few ready to ship now. I'm not exactly sure how many are ready to ship, but he does have a few ready to go now that are already done up. Of course, they're made in Mexico, and I just wanted to do a live demonstration of this. This is my own personal one, and I'm going to keep this so when I do the predator sculpting, I'll have a sound system that I can program, and it'd be on display, and you just sit there and just push buttons, and it makes sounds and all that, and it's pretty cool to go with pretty much any predator display you might have. And like I said, these are completely open-ended for programming. So if you know how to run Arduino programming and you can take things off, put things on, this is totally open-ended. There's nothing locked in to being, you know, you can completely wipe all of the sounds off and put your own ones in there. But it has up to, I think, capacity, if I'm not mistaken, I did put it on the Etsy store, I believe it has a 50 megabyte capacity for sounds. So you can program them off of YouTube or whatever and just, you know, plug it into your computer with the little plugs and just download it, as this is a thing, and you can just download the thing directly to it, I think. I didn't program this. He did, so... but any of you guys that know anything about Arduino systems or anything like that would know how to do that. So anyway, that's the testing of the Predator soundboard, which I just got in the mail today, not literally 15 minutes ago. And not having any knowledge about how this works, you know, it's pretty basic setup because I'm a dummy when it comes to electronics. So I just, like I said, plugged in the soundboard, plugged this together, plugged that. It's very, very 1, 2, 3 step to do. So I appreciate that. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Like I said, the ad's up on the Etsy. If you want one, go over there and make a purchase. That's the only quote-unquote pre-order that I do for this because I have to send him the money. He ships it out. But it's working in partnership with somebody on these. You see firsthand how good quality this is. And you see firsthand, you hear it. So, you know, like I said, it'll take about 4 weeks. I placed my order on the 17th of last month and got this in the mail today. So it comes from Mexico. It is very much, I'm sorry, I placed it on the 19th of last month and got it today. So despite all this mail nonsense, these things move pretty quickly from one country to another. So anyway, I appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know if you guys have any questions on this. All right? Thank you very much.